You saw me, you
Okay.
contacted me, and you invited me out.
Okay.
Did I tell you I wanted to go out?
You see, one thing with ladies is she didn't even talk of saving now. She split it 100%, like spend it. Yo, people, what's up? Welcome back to YolyBoy TV, and you already know it's YolyBoy, and hey, in the building with me today is
Lady Yina.
Lady Yina in the building. Man, Lady Yina is looking so take away today.
Thank you.
Man, you're really looking good.
Thank you.
The beats, the hairstyle, the makeup,
Okay.
the gown, man. I think after this discussion we're going to take over, right?
Alright.
Yeah, listeners, don't bother about that. I just want to just have some ways through, you know what I'm saying? You know, guys will understand what it means, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we're here on the LOY house, and this is what we always do. We bring to you sweet gist, and we have a conversation today.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, so we always have something to talk about, and I just hope today is going to be what I really want. So, do we have any topic for the listeners and viewers?
We
What's
do.
up?
We have. So today we are going to start our discussion with who should pay for date. Like you are going on a date, who is
Okay.
supposed to pay?
I don't get it. I'm going on a date with who? How?
With your.
With a lady who is okay. YolyBoy going on a date with Lady Yina. It depends, but I feel like in this generation, the girls, man, the ladies should pay the bill.
What are you saying?
I'm saying the ladies should pay the bill. Like,
no.
Yeah,
I disagree.
I don't get it.
Why will the lady pay for the date that you invited me for?
This is Gen Z, man.
No.
This is Gen Z.
I disagree with you.
It's before that, guys. Do all that.
No.
I don't get it, no.
You can't invite me on a date and you expect me to pay for it. Why would I do that?
What a man can do, a woman can do.
No, when it comes to things like this, no,
yeah,
I disagree.
What's up. They said what a man can do, a woman can do better. So she's asking me who is going to pay for the date. I'm saying the lady because she can do better.
Like I said,
yeah,
I agree with that.
Okay.
But I do not agree that when it comes to debt, the lady should pay for it. Like you invited me and you expect me to pay.
Must it be a guy that will invite the lady to a date? No, now maybe it doesn't even matter if you are invited or you invited. But what I'm saying is that the time has changed.
There is nothing about time.
We have a lot of flex times. Like a lady should pay for the bill to prove that okay, she's one in a million. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Yeah, you have to prove you're one in a million.
You, in order to prove that you are one in a million as well.
No.
You should pay for it.
Every guy paid the bill.
What do you mean by every guy paid the bill? Are you trying to say that every lady does not pay for the bill?
Definitely. Most ladies, 99% of ladies don't pay bills. They feel like it's a man's responsibility.
Of course.
Okay.
I'm your responsibility. You're supposed to handle all of those things.
My guys, wait. Do you believe she is your responsibility right now? What? For me, I feel like now everybody is gonna hold their responsibility.
No.
Don't be anybody like listeners, my guys out there. I want you to really look into this matter. That I am her responsibility. How?
You are my responsibility. No, I am your responsibility.
It's you that, okay.
Yes.
Fine. You see what I try to twist it and she's twisting it back. How are you my responsibility?
I am your responsibility.
Just because we're going on a date now, guys, look, just because you're going on a date with a lady makes her your responsibility. No.
Of course.
I don't
Why didn't you invite me on that date? Okay, why? You should have gone there yourself.
Okay, why did you say that guys should pay the bill?
Because first, you saw me, you contacted me, and you invited me out.
Okay.
Did I tell you I wanted to go out? No, but you insisted on us going on a date. So do you expect me to pay for something I have no interest in?
Okay, let's now take it back. Rewind it to a time maybe a boyfriend and girlfriend date. Who is supposed to pay?
You, of course, the guy, the boyfriend.
No,
The
man.
boyfriend is
This
supposed
the
to
point
pay.
where, guys, this is the point where the ladies have to prove to you that they really love you.
No,
They
ladies,
care about
don't
you.
believe what he's saying. You don't. I must not spend on you before I prove to you that I love you, right?
You see, that's the problem with all these people. They keep bringing one point to another.
No.
You have to prove anybody on earth.
What's the point of proving?
Everybody has to prove.
When
that
there are a
they love
million ways in which I can prove that I love you, but I must not pay for this.
you. What if I choose
must not.
to make you paying the bill part of it?
How can you make me? Like, how can you even choose
Just
that?
as you're trying to make me
Trying to make you what?
pay the bills.
Well, you know that you're supposed to pay for the bill.
You hear that?
That's it.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Supposed to. That is not even
Yes.
supposed to.
You're
Yes.
supposed to pay for the
I don't
bill as far as we are
I don't
out.
buy the idea.
On your own accord.
From my
You're
own
supposed
point, I don't buy the idea of guys paying the bill or girls paying the bill, and looking at also other things that might come up later in the relationship.
Other
At
things
least
like?
if I pay today, pay tomorrow, you pay next, you pay up. Like, let it be something that let's be mutual, not one
I don't understand. So I must involve myself and my money before the relationship.
That's
will be
how I
mutual.
know you also sacrifice for the relationship.
There are a lot of things that I will do to make you understand that
Don't
I
worry.
really value the relationship and I sacrifice a lot. I
Don't
must not
worry.
involve my money.
Just leave those ones and do this one for us.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I want the girl to do right now. So
Exactly,
every lady,
guys.
if you want your guy to really
No, ladies.
feel the heat
Don't
and
do
be
that.
like, wow.
Don't
Pay
do
the
that.
bill.
Don't pay it.
And guys, if they're making you always pay the bill,
Don't run.
You know what I
guys.
mean?
If she's always making you to pay
have
bill,
you watched Tom and Jerry before?
don't run.
What you want them
Don't.
to do? Okay,
You should stay.
stay and let your
Yeah.
ATM cry.
I don't understand.
Definitely the ATM so
For
far.
a lady to ask you to pay for her bill or to give her money or anything, that girl must really love you. I hope you know that.
Oh, this really punched me hard in the heart. Guys, ladies, please let's do justice to this statement. That
Let's do it.
a lady who always asks you to pay the bill is a lady that loves you. Oh, I want to cry about this. I don't want that lady. If you love me like that, go
What do you
far
mean by
away. Don't even
go?
come my way. This is really heartbreaking. Like, a lady who asks me to pay the bill really loves me. No, no.
She does.
All right, but okay, now let's even come back to this scenario of another area now of not just paying the bill.
Okay.
Or let's also look at another angle. Why not just say, okay, let's just have everything as one, like have a joint account, have all these things put together. Like, to you, do you think it's a good thing? Since you said the guy always paid the bill, why not? Okay,
Yeah.
joint account.
It's a good thing
Okay, so it's good for
Yes.
couples to.
to have.
Yeah, that is how true love is. But okay, if you're saying it's even the best, joint account now, okay, who is really putting money in the account?
The guy.
Oh, so you call it joint account, and where are you putting your own money?
It's a joint account.
Where are you putting your own cash?
Well, I'm not saying that I will not put
Okay.
mine, but
Okay.
you know the highest percentage goes to the guy.
Now, guys, I want you to pay attention. If I want to ask a question, I want everybody to pay attention. I want to ask a question.
I'm listening.
Now, if you're saying that couples should have joint account, because I'm saying no. Now, I have this question for you. If you're saying that couples should have joint account, let's say for every 100K the guy put, how much are you putting?
Well, for the guy, 70K is not bad.
Okay,
And
then
I
you.
put 30.
Okay, 70, 30.
Yeah.
Wow, that's just like an industry's contract, standard contract. You hear they say industry is reaping, like the industry is reaping people.
Are you
They
trying
pay
to say
people.
I'm ripping?
Wow, you are trying to reap
No,
the
I'm
hell out of
not.
that.
I'm not.
For
I'm
a
being-
lady to be contributing 30% in the account, and then okay, when it comes to spending it, How much do you take out?
Well,
The percentage?
well, we know me, the household and all. We go with 60, and
Okay, 40.
the remaining 40 is for health, you
Okay,
know.
so you-
and then you now, you can have like 25%.
Oh, so you take
Yourself.
60
Yeah.
and the guy takes 25, then
Yeah.
the remaining percentage. Oh my god. This
You
is-
love it, right?
Oh my god.
I know you love it. I know you like it.
I really love it because it's really, really the fastest way to commit murder.
I don't understand commit more than half.
So I put 70%, I take out 25%, you take out 60% when you're only paying 30%. You see, what do with ladies is she didn't even talk of saving now. She's treated 100% like spend it, no savings, no future plans,
Of
no
course, there
insurance
is.
plan.
The remaining percentage.
So you're trying to make it look like you say health and household stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see, I've been saying the right thing, guys.
You have not been saying the right
Women
thing.
are not programmed for the future plan.
How?
She broke out 100% without saving. She only
What
thought
do you
of
mean?
household stuff and health because she knows if she's sick, there's no way she's going to enjoy the money. And if there is no house, there's no way she's going to enjoy the money. There's nothing like saving for business or saving for
Of course,
investment.
there
There's
is.
nothing for that. Like, ladies, come on,
I
wake up.
understand. Of course, there is.
Wake up, man.
You don't know. Out of the 60%, you don't know how much I'm going to save.
Oh.
You don't know.
What
so
are you
how
saying?
then
We're
will you
talking
complete?
about an account that is joined. Anything that goes in is us. Anything that comes out is us. But that's ladies for you guys. So take note of this. Anytime you hear them saying this, you better not agree. Don't
You
ever
better
have a
agree.
joint account.
It is very important.
To have a joint account.
Of course.
What
it
are
is.
the importance?
Plenty.
Just give me like 15 things. They are plenty.
Okay,
One.
we have a joint account. You know, sometimes you may not have cash, you
Oh,
may not have money, you may not be financially buoyant.
oh boy.
So we are going to run back to that joint account. You understand?
Now, is it we or you now that may not have cash?
You,
Okay,
as the head of the family.
So if I am putting 70%, how the hell on earth am I going to run out of cash when the person putting 30% is still having cash? Oh my god. Oh my god. Viewers, beware of all these ladies. They are reapers.
They are not. They are
What?
not. They are
Well,
not.
but anyway, I'm standing on no. I will never have
And
a
I
joint
am
account.
standing on yes.
Okay, whatever you feel, man. We want to see the
Just
comments.
let us know, guys.
Let's see. What is it you thought of? What is it you think is the right thing, or what do you think you're going to do? Are you going to have a joint account with your woman?
What is?
You better say no.
You better say yes. It's actually
You
a
better
very
say
good,
no. It's
very good
okay.
thing to do.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lady Nina here too, man. So from now, we just say, stay tuned on the next video. I will see you. Love you.
Take care,
Bye.
guys. We love you.